USP ke East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Siem, Ula Pyntip ba ke Embassy of Hungary, kabadan New Delhi, kampat Wan Shimti ya kamet yap jong uzul puskas u Nongshang kai perthei, nakari Hungary uba ya kamet yap jong u lalap hakash photarik u yayong arja arpusan, nakawe ke Jaka bala tip kerteng kum ka rintu ksang kabadan hakashnong ramda jong kathan Shela East Khasi Hills District. Haga jingekran bat kinong tho KHUBOR, uba Vivek ulayat hu bana kalyang ke sarkar, kala Pyntip ya kani ke jingja shake basi, kabadan New Delhi, bakan Pyntip shiki bahayeng hasem, knang bakin Wan Shimti no ya kamet, kabala bu minta jaka bu medyam ha civil hospital Shillong. Uzol puskas, ulaja nadu ka arpu khandai tarik leber aja arpusan, bat kipulit kilayo ya ke jing ujor haka artarik uyayong aja arpusan, bat ya kamet yap jong u, lalap haka shpo tarik ya yong aja arpusan.
He had booked a local taxi from police point, not police point, near police station, near the Nitra police station, yes, and taken the taxi to Mausaho village, and from there he alighted on that place, and then he walked from there.
Then this taxi left.
Taxi left, yes.
So in this particular case, whether the tourists had already informed the hotel about his...
No, he had checked out in the hotel at 9 o'clock. So...
Oh, he didn't stay there?
He stayed from 3:45 to 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock he checked out. Yes. So it's very important that actually when they check into a hotel, they should inform the hotel also, ask the hotel for guides, trekking guides and all that. Where can they find a trekking guide? Who would host them out there? Who would guide them? So that's very important when they move to a hotel. Tell the hotel also, especially if they are new or foreign to this place, they should ask the hotel what they should do and where they're going also, so that the hotel knows. So it's easy to trace out the person. So we know which definite route he's going to.
And from Mausaho village, nobody has assisted him when he visited those places?
See, there's only trekking parties, unless a person goes and asks for help and all that. He's deemed to be like he knows the route. This Homeguard constable had gone for training to NDRF in Changsari, which is in North Guwahati, and he went missing on the 9th of April at about 7 p.m. And they found him that evening, or the next morning in Gauripur. So his body, the post-mortem has been done. They didn't find any major injury, but only there was a slight injury on his elbow, which may have happened because of the fall. A UD case has been registered in Changsari police station. We're in touch with SP Kamrut Rural, and he will apprise us on the post-mortem report.
So as of now, no foul play.
As of now, we'll wait for the post-mortem report.
Can you also tell us about the death of Hungary tourist?
We've only actually, in fact, many things have come in the papers. But as of now, post-mortem has been done, spot post-mortem has been done. The forensic team had visited the place of occurrence, and now the body is in the civil hospital morgue. We are waiting any communication from the embassy as to whether any relative would come and take over the body, or they want the final rites to be completed in Shillong.
So families have been contacted?
Yeah, we're in touch with the embassy, and the embassy is in touch with the family members.
So what would be your suggestion for precautions to tourists to visit difficult area terrain?
Well, first thing is don't go for trekking alone. The first thing is don't go for treks, especially to places where you have a lot of forested areas alone. Number one, that's the thumb rule of trekking. Don't go alone. Number two, for foreign tourists, take a guide, get to know the place, get hold of a trekking club or a trekking vendor, or which actually provides the services and all that. For foreign tourists, it's very important that when you check into a hotel, you fill up the sea forms and all that. otherwise we will show cause the hotel or the guest house, which actually doesn't ensure C-form entries for foreign tourists. So these things, and then people uh, check into a hotel, they should find out for our emergency numbers in case they require any police emergency. We've had many cases in Mauseo, Nauryat area where people have got lost and all that. But thanks to the 112, people have called, and Sora police station have responded swiftly. And this is not the first time that a tourist has lost. Has got lost. But many tourists have got lost, but they call 112 because they've inquired in case I'm in a situation where I'm lost, what do I do? So that is very important to know the route, where there's a route, what is the usual route. Then I would urge that we'll take it up. In fact, SDPO Sora has taken up with the villages also that we'll have main signages, so that people don't veer off from the main route, trekking route. So these are some of the precautions they should take.